this year, she said that the farmers were putting something in the
They
field.
put that 240, they put that guy in jail.
Yeah, I know.
They confiscated his farm and put him in jail.
I know, I told her that. And I said, you know, he got in a lot of trouble. And she said they were going around picking up the dead birds and putting them in a sack and putting them out there.
What kind of birds are those?
Huh?
Those are scary looking birds.
Some spatsies.
Spatsies? They're huge. They're trying to eat in the bird feeder.
That's why the shelf is so small. They can't sit there and eat.
These birds, this is the closest I've seen them come up to the house.
They're
They're all
close.
over going out. Look at the other window. Look out that window over there.
Oh my gosh.
Woo!
Wow.
Oh, they're moving away. They're leaving. Oh, that one's still sitting there.
What was that flew by there? Was that a blackbird?
Yeah.
Look at them in the trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, quick.